Hey everyone, it's Ashley.
And Jared.
And today we're going to be unboxing the FabFitFun Spring Box. And I am excited to dig in.
But before we do that, what Ashley doesn't know is that she will be unboxing this FabFitFun box, but she'll be doing it blindfold. So we're going to play a little game, Ashley, where I'm going to blindfold you, and then I'll be the one unpacking, and then I'm going to hand you some of the items, and then you have to guess what the item is.
All right, well, maybe...
And if you get it right, you get nothing, and if you get it wrong, you still get nothing.
Okay.
So.
Well, thanks for being creative with this, babe.
No problem.
Let's switch it up a little bit.
All right, ready? I don't want to mess up your makeup.
Okay, just be gentle.
Okay, little gentle.
There we go.
There it is. All right.
Sound like you're talking to the dog.
I know. Is little Ashley okay?
Yes.
You look like a
burglar?
Teenage Mutant Ninja Turtle.
Oh, okay.
We're doing the bird box test. That's what we're doing.
Oh,
we're doing the bird FabFitFun box test. Can you not see?
I cannot see.
How many fingers am I holding up?
No. Oh.
That's the right answer. Okay, here we go. I'm gonna open this up. So it's the FabFitFun Spring 2019 collection. Have that in your mind. That is my arm.
Oh.
Okay, so our first one is that item right there that I can't say. Okay, ready?
Okay.
Feel it around. Make sure you know it. Do you want me to open it for you?
No, it's definitely a cream. It's a body cream. I'm gonna get all these right because I know my beauty products. Oh, whoa. That smells like...
It smells fantastic.
Like my childhood in the best way possible. What is that smell? Is that peach?
It does smell really good.
It's so good, okay.
I'm gonna leave that open.
I like it.
It's like a candle. All right. Our next item is this. I can't say the name. Here we go. Really feel it around.
Well, this is another cream. Oh, but I'm gonna go with the fact this has gotta be a conditioner. I'm gonna say this is a deep conditioner.
You're saying your final answer is a conditioner?
Yeah.
All right, our next item is that bad boy right there. Here you go. This one's gonna be a difficult one because it's a box. Okay, shake it gently. Gently now, don't break it.
Oh, really? Is it breakable?
Who knows, really?
I'm gonna go with the fact that this is going to be like a perfume of sorts. Yeah.
A perfume of sorts. We'll leave that to the side.
I don't think it's makeup because it feels heavy for makeup unless it's a big lipstick. So it could be a lipstick.
Who knows the answer, really? All right, this one you might get. You're definitely gonna get.
This is gonna be a scarf. Or a blankie. A shawl. A shawl. Like a multi-use scarf.
Shawl is your final answer?
Yeah.
Shawl. All right, next up, it's gonna be very... This is the next item. I'm curious if you're gonna get this or not.
Okay. Well, hand it over. Can I open the box?
All right. Okay. I mean, this is kind of cheating, but...
No, it's not.
It's a box.
It's spoons. So I'm assuming they're measuring spoons, which I like to have multiples of in the kitchen.
Multiple of in the kitchen, that's fair.
You know, because if you're baking, you're like, well, I need to have a cup of this and half a cup of that.
That's true.
And I don't want to clean that one yet.
Well, when you need a half a cup of this and a half a cup of that, it's nice to have multiple spoons. All right, I will hand this over to you like this at first.
All right, so it's a case.
It is a case. Now you unzip, careful. Don't have anything fall out. Now it opens like this.
I think that's a mirror to go. More spoons?
Also known as a to-go mirror.
Is that another spoon?
I mean...
Oh, and forks. Okay, so we got like a lot of kitchenware in this box.
Well, possibly. Maybe not.
Is it a picnic set? For like spring and summer picnics? That's cool.
Well, it is a spring box, so you might be on the right track there.
I want to go on another picnic.
Well, we can go on another picnic. Our next item. Here you go. Here you go.
Well, this is a spray.
Mm-hmm.
It's either going to be a makeup setting spray
Don't spray it in my face.
Or
Interesting.
it's not a spray
Smells fantastic.
version of sunscreen?
I don't know.
It could be for the spring box.
So what's your
I
final answer for this?
I love spray sunscreens because you can
sorry,
put them
what was
over.
that?
I love spray sunscreens because you can put it over your makeup.
So, sunscreen. Next item. Here we
Or
go.
it could just be body spray.
Who
It really
knows,
just could
really?
be perfume.
Could be. Smells great.
You want me
I
to
know.
wear more perfume, don't
I
know you do.
Okay, this is our final. This is our final item today.
It's heavy.
Ashley, when you're ready.
Oh, it's a water bottle.
Is it?
Yeah. Because it's so hip to not bring plastic water bottles everywhere. So there
It
you
is
go.
hip. Thank you.
And I'm sure it's going to keep your water cold for many, many hours.
All right, I put all the products together. Time for the big reveal.
Take my blindfold off, Christian Grey.
That was dirty. Easy. I don't want to mess up the hair too much. And it's off. All right. So these are the products that I handed you.
Okay.
All right. The first one I handed you was this wonderful smelling.
Sea
Scrub.
minerals.
I know.
Okay, yeah, so it's a scrub. Ooh.
What did you think it was? You thought it was a...
I thought it was a souffle, like a lotion, like a heavy lotion, body lotion.
That's what a souffle is?
I might be making that up.
I thought it was like a dessert.
That is a dessert too. I think it goes both ways. Am I right?
I don't know.
Souffle. Okay, well, I love anything that has sea minerals in it. I truly believe that anything that has sea in it is like the essence of beauty. I think I would be like the prettiest version of myself if I could just live in the ocean. So the fact that this is a salt base and it's a charcoal scrub, oh, it's got champagne in it too. So not only does it have like sea minerals in it, but it also has charcoal in it, which is
That would
really
be
good.
sea minerals in it.
Yeah, it has charcoal in it, which is really good at detoxifying stuff. And it comes from the Dead Sea, and the Dead Sea is the saltiest sea in the entire world.
Interesting.
Therefore, the sea with the most beauty essences.
Gotcha. You love your sea salt water.
I love sea anything.
This woman, when she goes to the beach, she won't go in the water, but before we leave the beach, she'll go up and just take some water and splash it on her face because she is convinced that salt water makes her more beautiful.
It is 1000% true.
All right, so this was the second item that I gave you.
Okay.
And you guessed that it was...
I guess
You guessed
that it
a
was
shampoo or conditioner,
Yeah,
yes.
and it's purifying face cleanser. It looks like it's a probiotic. Ooh, and it's going to remove dirt, impurities, and makeup effectively. I know that gel cleansers happen to be like the very best at removing makeup, and because I am so made up right now, I'm gonna need something like this to really wash my face completely.
Gotcha.
Tonight.
Yes.
So that's awesome.
Makes sense.
Coolie.
Did you just say coolie?
I like Coolie.
The third item that I
you really
handed
remember the
you,
order you did?
I'm pretty sure it was the
Oh,
small
yeah.
box, right?
Yeah.
Now you
Oh my
guessed.
Goodness gracious.
Hold on, what did you guess this was? You guessed
A
that,
makeup or a perfume?
yes, no.
Yes.
Oh, maybe. Yes, you guessed it was a perfume.
Okay, so this is Dr. Brandt, and it's an eye depuffing gel, so that it prevents bags underneath your eyes. And you know how I always feel puffy, so this is gonna help me not feel puffy. Also, I discovered a Dr. Brandt thing, the exfoliant, in one of the other FabFitFun boxes, and it was life-changing. It was the best exfoliant I've ever discovered.
So you're a big fan of Dr. Brandt.
Yeah, so I'm really excited to try this new Dr. Brandt
Wait, why are you putting
product.
it on your hand? Isn't that
Well,
eye?
babe, come on, I'm not gonna ruin my eye makeup right now.
Oh,
Do you want me to put it on yours?
sure.
Okay, you are
It's
never
my
puffy.
under eye?
It's like, the entire area. I like to do the entire area. You are a anomaly because you never have any circles or puffiness. Well, actually,
I don't
you
understand.
get puffy in the morning.
I get puffy.
You get puffy in the morning. Do you remember a couple of months ago when I was trying to find an orange concealer?
No.
Okay, well, I wanted orange because it's like the new thing in concealing. It's really good for concealing like the purpley dark under eye.
Oh, okay.
Because it cancels it out. So this is toned and orange.
I'm so happy for you.
So it's gonna end up being able to conceal and depuff. Fantastic.
Okay, this was the next one. It was also a box. Now this you
I was
got
right.
right because
Yeah,
we let you
measuring
touch the spoons.
spoons.
And this is,
They're much nicer than our plastic measuring spoons at home.
well,
They're
yes.
so cute. Look at that nice rose gold color.
They're very aesthetically pleasing.
They're beautiful. They're like
They're-
something we would have seen on HGTV.
Yes, and we do love us some HGTV.
Yes.
All right, the next item that I handed you was pretty
This.
sure this case. Now you
Was
guessed
I correct?
this. Well, you weren't right about the mirror.
Yeah. Oh,
It's
it's
a
a plate. Oh, this is so cute.
It's a little silverware pouch.
Yeah, it's
with-
for picnics.
It's picnics, yeah,
That's
exactly.
so cute.
That is cute.
That's really nice.
I like that a lot.
I want to go on more picnics.
We can go on more picnics.
Okay.
Now we
Remember
have our
when
little
used to have
picnic set.
time?
And
Remember
we
when we used to like have,
know,
time,
have time.
to go on picnics?
guess what? So this could be our picnic set, right? And then we can also play frisbee with it.
It's true. Be careful with that though. What else did we have? What was the next?
I handed you. I'm pretty sure was the
Show me your
show
moo-moo.
me your moo. For some
we
reason,
love
moo
show me your moo-moo.
Moo is just a fun
Oh!
word to say.
I know. It's a robe.
Oh, you guessed
Wait,
a
I
shawl.
thought it was a shawl. This is
It's
an
a robe?
upgrade from a shawl. How cute is that?
That's very cute.
That's
That's
a-
far better
That's
than what your robe is now.
beautiful. You'd like me to lounge in that.
Yes, I would like
It's
you to
kinda
lounge in that.
sexy.
Yeah, your current white bathrobe, which I'm pretty sure has got to be at least 4 years old.
It's not. It just looks like it.
Oh, interesting. I like that a lot.
Okay,
This
it's
is nice.
really nice.
Can I feel that? Yeah, how well? It's very soft and silky.
It's very nice. Okay, what was
Show
the
me
next
your
one?
moo. It was. This is already gone. Let me get my products in order here. This was the next item I gave you,
So
and
I
you
said it
guessed
was
that this
spray
was. It was a
sunscreen.
body spray sunscreen. Way off.
Way off, but this is a detangler and a leave-in conditioner, and this is something that I always need more of because I don't know if you notice, every time I get out of the shower after I wash my hair, I must put a leave-in conditioner or I feel like it didn't even count.
Why?
I need a leave-in conditioner or I feel like I'll be really tangly for days and that I'll get split ends. So this is why I've been putting a leave-in conditioner in my hair for like the past 15 years. I think I started when I was 15.
That is one fact that I did not know about you.
Yeah. So this is going to smooth, soften, and detangle your hair.
And it does smell really good.
Oh, it smells amazing.
It does smell really good. Between that scrub and this.
No more stinky donut fiance.
No more stinky donut fiance.
That's what he calls me.
It's an inside joke.
Okay, and this is a sip by Swell, and I
Swell.
was correct about this. It was a water bottle.
We actually have a Swell water bottle. Well, I do anyway, so this is great.
Yeah.
This is actually cool for both of us because I use water bottles when I go to the gym, when I at least attempt to go to the gym.
Okay, you know how we feel like we never have enough stuff to carry coffee in? This is going to keep your hot drinks hot
Yeah,
and your cold
cold.
drinks cold. So it's whatever temperature basically you put it in as.
Yeah, it's nice.
That is awesome.
It is really nice. I've had this before, and they actually do keep drinks cold or hot.
Oh, I thought it was just for cold drinks. It's a game changer that's for hot drinks too. All right.
Yeah.
Well, babe, thanks for introducing me to this box. I love it. The products I'm all gonna use.
Yeah.
I'm gonna use them all.
Anytime. And look at all the products we have for you FabFitFunners out there. I don't know why I'm calling you FabFitFunners. It's kind of like Los Angelans.
Yeah.
Is that the word?
Less. I don't know what it is.
I don't know what it is either, but we're FabFitFunners.
Angelinos.
Los Angelinos.
I like that.
I like that too. I like FabFitFunner better.
Well, I can't wait to use this gel cleanser tonight to remove all my makeup and this puffer tomorrow morning.
I can't wait for you to use the scrub.
I think you want to use the scrub. So FabFitFun is the most amazing deal you're ever gonna get. The box has over $200 worth of product, but you're only gonna get it for $39.99 with our special code.
You're saving like $300,000 by doing that.
Well, your math is a little wrong, but you're still saving a lot. So check it out with our code. Can't wait for you to get your own.